Welcome to the Exergy Learning Hub, where we break down complex topics into simple, clear, interesting, and practical way that you can actually use it real life and professional exams. Did you know one machine powers industries, generates steams, run turbines, and support massive factories? That machine is called a boiler. But what exactly is a boiler? A boiler is a closed vessel where water is heated to produce high pressure steam. That steam is used in power plants, textile industries, food factories, chemical industries, and process plants. Simply, boiler converts fuel energy into steam energy. Important conditions for boiler is to capacity greater than 22.76 liter, working pressure above 1 kilogram per square centimeter. In Bangladesh, boiler operation is controlled by the Boiler Act 1923 and Bangladesh Boiler Regulations. Why? Because boiler operate under very high pressure. Without proper safety, explosion, fire hazard, industrial accident can happen. That's why inspection, certification, and trained boiler operator are mandatory. Now let's talk about boiler types: fire tube boiler and water tube boiler. Modern industries now use supercritical boiler. A supercritical boiler operates above the critical pressure of water, pressure 221.2 bar and temperature 374.18 degrees Celsius. Advantage of supercritical boiler is higher efficiency, lower fuel consumption, and lower emissions. Another advanced technology is once-through boiler. Water enters once and directly becomes steams in once-through boiler. No steam drum is needed. Boiler performance evaluation: boiler efficiency, fuel consumption, stack temperature, steam generation. Because inefficient boiler waste huge amount of energy. Boiler blowdown: this removes impurities and dissolves solid from boiler water. Without blowdown, scaling, corrosion, tube damage can occur. Too much blowdown also wastes energy, so optimization is very important. Want to save energy in boilers? Here are some powerful energy saving methods: waste heat recovery, economizer installation, steam leak reduction, better insulation, proper combustion control. Even small improvement can save massive fuel cost. Boilers are not just steam machines, they are the heart of industrial energy system. Dear viewers, if you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell icon. Your support really inspires us to create more amazing content for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.